Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about linear equations. How we are going to calculate various linear equations using various methods. First, we are going to start with uh, this equation here, and by our first method we are going to use elimination method. By elimination method, from the solution here, first, we have to eliminate the value of x by exchanging the values of x. The, um, the equation is here. Then if we are going to exchange the values, 3 goes up here and 5 goes down here. Then we introduce the bracket signs. By introducing that, now we open the bracket. By opening the bracket, we have 3 times 5, then we have 15x. 3 by 4 we have 12y. Then 3 by 64 we have 192. Down in this line we have 5 times 3 we have 15. Another one is 5 times 2 we have 10. 5 by 36 we have 180. In here, if we now we introduce the subtraction. If we subtract 15 minus 15 we get 0. 12 minus plus 10 we have 2 to y. 192 minus 180 we have 12. We want to get the value of y here. We divide by 2 both sides so that we can get the value of y. 12 divided by 2 we have 6. 2 divided by 2 it's 1 y. So y is equals to 6. That's the value of y. We want to get the value of x. If we have the value of y here, we have to insert y in the equation. Let's say we have this equation here, 15x plus 12y is equals to 192. If we have this equation, then we insert the value of y where it's supposed to be. Like this one, 15x plus 12y is equals to 192. We have 15x plus 12, then we insert the value of y, which is 6 here, is equals to 192. 15x plus 72, we open the bracket, we have 72 is equals to 192. Then the value of x will be 192 minus 72, which is 120. Then 120 divided by 15, we have 8. That's the value of x, which is 8. Another method that we are going to use is matrix method. This matrix method is mostly in Form 3 and it's later being taught in Form 4. Then, how can we find a linear equation using a matrix method? Then the same example of a linear equation that we used previous is this one. Then we proceed with it. The solution. First, you have to arrange this linear equation in matrix form. Then if we arrange, we have the value of 5, 3, 4, 2. Then we have the value of x, y, then 64, that's 6. Then we have the matrix form. This is how matrix form is being inserted. Then from this matrix form, we have first to find the determinant. How do we find the determinant of in matrix? We have this one, this first stage here. To find the determinant, you have to find the multiplication of 5 by 2 here. Then you subtract 3 by 4. We have 10 minus 12, which is negative 2. So that's the determinant. To have a determinant, it should be 1 over something. So if it is 2, we have it should be 1 over negative 2. That is the determinant here. Then, if you have the determinant, then you insert these values here, but now we have to interchange 2 to be the first one and 5 down here. Then the rest one you have to introduce negative. You have to introduce the negative sign. From there, then you have the x and the y here. Then you have 64 and that's 6. From here, you have to open the bracket. If you open the bracket, half times 2, you have -1, half by -4, you have 2, then half by -3, we have 3/2, half by 5, we have -5/2. Then we have x and y, 64 and that's 6. If we want to this one, you calculate it by the 1001, which is the identity in matrix. Then this one you calculate it with the right hand side, which is 64 and that's 6. Then you have to calculate -1 by 1 by 64, then plus 2 by 36. We have -64 plus 72, which is 8. This is the value of x, which is 8. Then from there we have -3/2 by 64 minus -5/2 by 36. Then we have 96 minus 90, which is 6. This is the value of y. Thank you for watching this video.